Since the dawn of civilization, humans have relied on beef tallow for a variety of different applications, such as candle making, soap products, and as a fat source for cooking. Beef tallow has made a resurgence in modern kitchens, as the rise of nose-to-tail food production has helped businesses minimize waste. Beef tallow is a rendered beef fat that is a versatile, shelf-stable cooking fat with a rich and savory flavor. When beef fat is made in the tallow, you get a quality cooking fat at an affordable price. It adds a crisp texture when frying, flavor to roasting dishes, and is also a great substitute for butter when baking. To render it, start with a quality fat like suet. Trim any remaining meats or connective tissues to prevent impurities. Place the prepared suet into a large, heavy-bottom pot. For dry rendering, heat the fat slowly over low heat. For the optional wet rendering, add a 1/4 cup to a 1/2 cup of water and a 1/2 tablespoon of non-iodized salt per pound of fat. Heat it slowly for 3 to 4 hours, stirring occasionally. Once the fat is fully melted, let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes before straining to remove any solid impurities. Allow wet rendered tallow to cool until it fully solidifies. The tallow will form a solid layer on top of the water. Once firm, remove the hardened tallow and scrape away any residual impurities. Once you have your tallow, it's time to properly store it. Use an airtight container to prevent contamination. Be sure to label and date the container and keep it away from light and heat. When stored correctly, beef tallow can last up to 6 months at room temperature. Now you can take full advantage of this valuable ingredient, reduce waste, and elevate your menu offerings.